you. James! James, come back here. Where are you going to?
I'm going to play.
What?
I'm going to play.
Have you done your homework?
No.
Have you learned?
No.
Go and learn. James! 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 Oh God, this boy is too lazy. He can't try to help me. Oh God, James! James!
This ICT is very simple.
This like is too simple. And too quiet. Yeah, I can do this like you're
It is simple. It is too much. It's not hard, but it is simple. It is too much.
This like is too simple.
It is too much. It's too much.
This like is too simple.
I tell you, it is too much. It is too much.
But yeah, I can do it too. This like is too simple.
It is not too much. It's too much. If you like practice.
Everybody open your book. Good afternoon, sir. We are happy to see you. God bless you, sir. Everybody sit down. Thank you, sir. Everybody open your book. Study this tomorrow. I'll come and explain to you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I am tired. Why are you tired?
Every day work, every day work. My friend, don't say that. The food that is given to slaves is not for bodybuilding, but for survivor.
Only those who are strong and really survive the battlefield. Come on, let's go, lazy boy.
My name is Agnes Oselsu. I am in GP2. My name is Asante Dofa Benedicta. I am in GP2.
My name is Samuel Ajay Jr. I am in GP2. My name is Abuajo Oserik. I am in GP2.
My name is Benjamin Boate. I am also in GP2. Thank you.
Okay, what the little one said, that the food that is given to slaves is not for bodybuilding, but for survival. We are just trying to make our fellow students or the children understand that once you are in school, you are not here to rest or enjoy yourself, but instead to put your mind and your strength into work, so that at the end of everything, you'll be able to gain something good at the end of your schooling. So that is what we are trying to tell them, that we are not here to rest, but to work to make our country better. Thank you.